be this good looking and not let me take a picture. All right, now I got another one for you. Ready? For right now. Right? Wait like 2 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm gonna picture your badass beard. Let me do it, please. Thank you. Nice. Love that. My dad and I cut mine all off, so I'm feeling a little sad when I look at yours.
Oh yeah.
But my dad has like a big ZZ Top guy beard, and
It's hard to keep it in control and go too big. It's like I keep getting stuck here or whatever.